Welcome, Dheeraj.
Thank you so much, Arindam. Thank you so much for having me here.
So, Dheeraj, thank you for your time, and join this initiative. And I'm sure that I know these young marketeers, those who are really going through this transition, they will, get to learn something great from you. So, Dheeraj, my first question is that you work with different segments, brands like Sony Ericsson, HP, now Logitech. So you have seen that how marketing, there's a domain has evolved over a period of time, and especially the current situation, that when everything is going digital. So how what's your experience? What are the key areas those transformation is happening?
Sure, Arindam. So traditionally, till a few years back itself, a typical consumer marketing plan entailed a TVC, print, radio, and an out-of-home to sustain visibility. And similarly, a customer marketing plan for an enterprise or an SMB campaign would revolve around presence in business magazines, events, seminars, roadshows. And the primary assumption for all this was that the customer journey is linear, that he or she actually moves from awareness to consideration to preference and eventually purchase in a linear manner. With the advent of digital, and especially in this pandemic period of about a year and a half, digital is no longer an add-on for a very long time. And in this 1.5 years, it has actually become the lead media. So the adoption of digital as a media has further accelerated many folds in the last 1.5 years. The other thing which is there is that most often earlier, brands used to talk to their consumers and customers. So it was brand talking their value proposition, whether it is in terms of communication or the product offerings. While today, it is actually consumers and customers speaking about the brands they use, they admire, and they want to be seen with. And that actually becoming a part of what the brands are amplifying in their communications. So what we put across as influencer marketing is actually gaining even further traction because of the authenticity and credibility that it brings to the table. And thirdly, I would say it is no longer about that traditional way of looking of above the line, below the line, online, offline, or roadshows, events, and seminars. It is actually become omni-channel and omnipresence. See, a lot of times we talk in the context of saying always on marketing.
Yeah.
And the way I look at it is it's always on marketing because there is an always on customer. See, with the advent of digital and social media, you and me as consumers and customers can access information anytime, anywhere. With e-tail and e-com, both from brand and e-com marketplace perspective, enabling you to transact at any time, it is actually an always on customer, which is making the marketers look at opportunities which allow them to be always on.
Exactly.
Typically, the communication excites us, a conversation excites us, and we looking for the brand or the solution. And that is where performance marketing, where search comes into play, allows us to actually move the needle from discovering about searching for the product, discovering, knowing more, and then eventually making a purchase. So I think these are three fundamental shifts that I can envisage which have happened. And digital clearly from a media which was an add-on to a media which is essential to now the lead media is what has happened over a period of last couple of years.
This is special in India that, there's one more challenge the marketeer, most of the cases they face is that, if they're selling the product, which is across, the different region. And India is a very diverse in nature that, we have so many languages, so many culture. And especially, when it comes to the, the B2B side of the marketing, that, different city has a different kind of, the business or the vertical. That, so what are the key factors that, you think that one marketeer should keep in mind whenever, they're asked to create a strategy to sell their product or to market the product in multiple, geography?
Yeah, I mean, looking at the diversity of India, and I would say we are a federation of 29 states rather than single nation because of the diversity that exists across the shared width of the country. So fundamentally, Arindam, marketing is all about actually connecting with the customer and the consumer. So if you really ask me, it is like staging a performance, which emotionally and rationally moves the consumer. And for that to happen, it is the content which is essentially with what you are reaching out, what you want to say, and the context. So as to in what context are you reaching out to this potential customer or your consumer? And very importantly, the local relevance of that. Since you talked about the SMB perspective to this, now if you were to just look at taking this same conversation of content and context into the SMB space, it is about the vertical specific propositions, which appeal to a more region specific or even a state specific audience. An example being like Gujarat, right? I mean, you will have the diamond cutting business, which is big in Surat. You have textiles also, which is big. Now, if you are in that space, you need to look at communicating and engaging vertical specific solutions, not just propositions, I would say. It is more of vertical specific solution-led engagement that you need to have. And there, if you can bring in a local partner itself, because what local is becoming important is from an SMB perspective, what is most critical for them is ki kaam chalta rehna chahiye. Irrespective of whatever products, services, offerings they are deploying in their businesses, their underlying requirement is that the work should not stop.
Yeah.
That can happen when you actually have a vertical specific solution with a local partner, and it is not a pure hardware solution, but it's a hardware software solution and even services solution. So I'm not saying just hardware, software, but even services, which actually gives the SMB the space to focus on building the business.
Yeah, exactly. Very rightly said that, so when, what we see that when it comes to B2C, that, when you define your audience like millennials, so millennials, maybe, they behave same across, that any city, but
rightly said.
But comes to the B2B side of the business, that, different vertical has a different need, and their challenges, they vary from, city to city, from business to business. Yes. So it's very, very important and message to the, those young marketeer, those are in a process and those are struggling to, devise their strategy, to create a multi-vertical kind of an approach. So one should, like, as you mentioned, one should keep in mind that, what exactly the requirement and create your narrative as per their needs.